My friend Sel is a YouTube vlogger and lives with her husband Martin on a private beach in Dauin, Philippines, south of Cebu and Dumaguete. In today's video, she'll give us a tour of her beach house, and the monthly rental for this amazing home is $600 US.
This is our paradise here. This is Dauin Negros Oriental, and this is our beach right there, and we have a huge yard. If I'm guessing, it's like 5,000 square meter. You wanna check inside? So anyway guys, this is our dining area, so you can watch TV. There's our couch, and if you wanna like to sing, I have also a magic sing, and this is our dining table.
So you got a nice big kitchen with an island.
Yeah, they only provided us one refrigerator, which is the small refrigerator. So the rest that you can see here is all ours.
Okay.
So we're living here 2 years, last February 21.
Can I ask you how much you pay for rent?
This is $600 per month.
$600 per month. All right, on a beachfront house.
Correct.
With a beautiful beach, amazing trees.
Newly built. We're the one first living in this place. So we're going to show you here our bathroom, not bathroom, it's a toilet. So we have also a nice washing machine, and at the back of here is the storage. Wait, this is a door you can go out and...
The outdoor kitchen, and you got a great place to take a shower if you've just gotten out of the water.
Hang out, drink something here. You can sit down here. It's like a mini bar and watch the sunrise right there. We're facing through Siquijor.
Sunrise there.
Yeah, and at the back we have a pressure tank. Our water is filtered 3 times, so we can drink it.
Oh, very good.
Yeah, we don't have to buy drinkable water. This is what we drink. Yeah.
Great, drinking water right there.
And I'm gonna close first. Oh, we have this extra sink.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you right now the upstairs. So let's go. Anyway, the best part I like in this area is this one.
Look at that view out the window for sunrise.
Nice. Continue here. There is a guest toilet.
Okay, the guest bathroom here.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then here is the guest room. So this is the best.
Wow.
By far the best room in the upstairs, because you got that amazing. So if you open this one, that's what you can see. This is really nice sunrise, except it's raining. Here it's another view. And usually you can see the Apu Island in this side, but because there's a big tree, so you can. We have one aircon. And okay, this is our master's bedroom. Welcome. We have 2 queen-size bed. Lots of bedrooms. Yeah, and this is the view of our room.
And on the
I'm gonna open it for you.
Beautiful garden view.
That's our yard.
And this is a giant yard. You can see we just had a dinner party here today.
And coconuts.
We got coconuts right here on the property.
So far, I guess this is 8,000 square meter, almost a 1 hectare.
Almost
property.
1 hectare property.
And yeah, the same view the other side.
Yeah.
So, see, that's why I really love this place.
And
one thing I love here is the privacy, because our neighbor is far.
You've got another bathroom here, right?
Sure, yeah, we have under the cabinet.
Plenty of storage.
Storage, yeah, and for a mess, but this is our shower area.
A big shower, the bathroom, and a toilet back here.
Yeah. So yeah, the one thing we really love it here is the privacy. Also, we love the big yard because we have 2 dogs, so they love to play outside. And we have our own source of water.
You want to show me your chickens?
Oh, sure, yeah, we have chickens.
And I love this garden. Everything you've got here is really nice.
It's really hard, by the way, to plant something because it's kind of sandy. When my gardener cut the grass, he put it here. It's like a fertilizer.
Right, yeah.
Yeah. And anyway, we're going now to my place. See my chickens, lots of chickens. And by the way, every day we harvest like 5 or 7 eggs. Every day. So instead of me and Martin buying it to the market, we have our own chicken eggs every day.
Every day.
Yeah. And that's the chicken coop, and that one is where pressure tank is.
Uh-huh.
So that's one thing I like, as what I said earlier, that we have our own source of water.
Right.
They can nest there. We built a nesting area. This is my favorite tree, by the way. It's really nice.
It is a beautiful tree.
Yeah. And I have calamansi. Do you know calamansi?
Yes.
Yeah. It's a dwarf.
Oh,
so it will not grow.
Dwarf calamansi right there.
Yeah. Lots of it.
Yeah.
That's the view of the house. Very nice place. Only 30,000 per month.
30,000 pesos per month. And then how much utilities?
The electricity, it's like 6 to 7,000.
6 to 7,000.
Yeah. Because usually I think the one that eating lots of electricity is the aircon, the pressure tank, and we have 2 refrigerator.
How about the Wi-Fi? You have Wi-Fi?
Wi-Fi, yeah, we're using field products. The monthly for that is 2,199 pesos. It includes like 12 TV channels.
12 TV channels and
unlimited downloads and uploads. I think it's 25 to 30 Mbps. Yeah, and that's good already.
It's good for your YouTubing. You can.
Correct. Yeah, because usually I upload videos. That's where it's hard because it's loading. So yeah, but so far it's really okay.
If you would like to know more about living or retiring abroad, or about being a digital nomad, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so that you'll be notified when our cost of living guides and lifestyle videos are posted. For more information, visit www.livingoverseas.tv.